Awakening is life.
You are watching Tremendous Technologies serial. We have seen the personal robots in the very first video of this Tremendous Technologies serial. Now, in this video, we shall see about the pet robots that can become part and parcel of our family. Once you have lived with these pet robots, it will be very difficult to live without them. We will lose ourselves in their very many antics and get attached to them emotionally. Then what? You can't live without seeing them, hearing them and talking to them. Their very different facial expressions and behaviors will wipe out all our worries and make us to laugh heartily. If the pet robot sees us sitting all alone and sad, it will run towards us. It will talk, it will dance, it will sing and even crack jokes in a very friendly manner. And all our worries will evaporate in the thin air. It's not only with the fun and frolic, it will also take care of elders at home in many ways. There are many pet robots in the market, but we shall see some of the top pet robots in this video.
To get this series of videos, click the subscribe button and the like button below this video. Jibo can interact with you and recognize faces and voices, respond to questions, and even tell jokes. It can also be programmed to perform a wide range of functions. It is packed with applications of education, entertainment, communication, and photography. It can act out stories, snap family images, flag appointments, play voicemails, and read emails aloud. It does remote video chats by revolving its camera and monitor. Price is around 25,000 rupees. Jibo is the only robot that died and got resurrected. Its company collapsed and the server was shut down. But later, another company bought it and revived it. Emo is an AI desktop robot possessing personalities and ideas. It has a solid sensors and state-of-the-art technology that lets the robot react with over 1,000 and more facial expressions and movements. Emo will cheer up your mood, plays music, performs dance moves, and suggests online games. It can feel, hear, sense, touch, learn, think, communicate, and fall sick even when climate becomes very chill. Emo is curious and explores the desk on its own. It tracks sounds, recognizes people, expertly navigates your desktop without ever falling off. The price is around 25,000 rupees. Jibo is a robotic artificial intelligence puppy. Jibo in Japanese means a friend. Its personality and behavior evolve over time. It walks, talks, responds, voice commands, and performs other doggy tasks. It is curious and eager to learn every day. It recognizes owner's face, detects smiles and words of praise, even waves of laughter. Although it is preloaded with many tricks, it can still learn new tricks taught by you. It monitors your home in your absence. It earns for your love, care and caressing by wagging its tail. It likes pink color, but it is very much afraid of height and cramped places. It comes with toys like a bone, ball, and dice designed to interact like a normal dog. Price is around 1,20,000 rupees. Misa, Misa, Misa is a next generation social family robot. It is smart, interactive, plays with the children, handles a schedule, and keeps your home safe. Misa will blend right into your family as a friend, teacher, companion, cameraman, homemaker, entertainer, and more. It can see, speak, hear, teach, and even relate to you as a personal assistant. And you can make video calls, set alarms, teach good habits, tell stories, play music, play videos, and so on. It is fluent in many languages.
And can even
it comes
be your
preloaded with
photographer.
games, books, videos, and learning apps. Price is around 30,000. இது ஆழமாய் வாழ அந்தரங்க ரகசியங்கள் காணொளி அலைவரிசை. Moxy, Moxy, Moxy is an AI robot for kids. Children can play, converse, share feelings to nurture their emotional and social skills. It can be a mentor and educate through explanations and problem solving methods in a very friendly manner. It asks questions to increase the kids' curiosity to know things from many different angles. Moxy schedules playtime to enhance the physical growth. It has gesticulating arms, self-swiveling torso, emotion-responsive camera, and GPT-powered AI. It tracks voice and face and adapts to child's natural movements. The price is around 1,20,000 rupees. Buddy, Buddy, Buddy is an emotional robot, winner of a Blue Ocean Awards. It is dedicated to the seniors, healthcare, education, and hospitality domain. It cares for aging seniors living alone. It detects the fall, unusual activities of the elders, reminds medication, enlivens daily lives, and breaks loneliness. With the gentle curves, big sparkling eyes, and radiating smile, it creates empathy and the desire to interact. Like a Swiss Army knife, it has many useful features like entertaining, educating, programming, gaming, assisting, and guarding home. The price is around 1,50,000. Lalat, Lalat is a childlike mobile robot makes you happy. You feel relaxed and better just by touching, embracing, even just watching Lalat. It navigates its environment, recognizes people, and demands hugs. It needs you more than you need it. It remembers 1,000 people. It will react to our moods and do all it can to make us happy and energetic. Lalat stirs our feelings by its very look, feel, and behavior. When we pick it up, it weighs like a toddler and feels warm. If you cradle, it will sleep. It has sensor horn, 10 CPUs, 20 MCUs, and 50 sensors. Price is around 2,40,000 rupees. Luna, Luna is the most lively pet robot. It is also the most intelligent pet robot with the chat GPT. It navigates swiftly, recognizes you, chases a laser light, welcomes you, follows you, and feels happy when you pet her. She sneezes, scratches, roams, investigates suspicious objects. She can beatbox, dance, fetch ball, even pose for pictures. Luna has face recognition, body detection, movement recognition, gesture recognition, object recognition, emotion recognition, edge detection, trajectory planning, and voice recognition. It expresses pleasure, anger, sorrow, and joy through ears alone. It has 700 expressions. It has many games, tons of quizzes, and charades to play. You can teach new tricks. When you are away, it monitors home, interacts with the pets. The price is around 30,000 to 40,000. Thank you for enjoying this video. Share this video with your friends and groups. Don't forget to press the like button and the subscribe button. Register your valuable comments and ideas about this video in the YouTube.